Kusina ni Nenoy, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-subscribe at patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel na to. Thank you so much. And for those who are new at kakabisita nyo lang, welcome po sa inyong lahat. At kung gusto nyo patuloy na matuto at mag-enjoy magluto, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on that tiny bell so you won't miss out on any of the videos, okay? Alright, so we're going to cook beef salpicao. This is my own recipe, by the way. So if you will try this dish, doing this recipe, please let me know your thoughts by putting all your comments down below. At sa lahat naman ng merong mga sariling recipe ng beef salpicao at gusto nyo tong i-share, pwede rin ilagay yan sa comment and we will be happy to check on that, okay? So tara, start na tayo magluto. So, for the ingredients ng beef salpicao, we have 1 kilo ng beef cut into strips, salt and pepper, our seasonings in classic and calamansi, and then we have chili flakes, 1 pouch ng oyster sauce. Maglalagay ako ng butter and margarine, paghahaluin ko yan. And then, 1 cup ng water, sliced mushroom, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, at mangangailangan tayo ng maraming bawang. Okay? So, hindi to magiging beef salpicao kung walang maraming bawang. Okay? So, yan. Yan lang ang mga ingredients natin. Season lang muna natin yung ating beef strip with salt and pepper. Okay? And then, we will also add itong seasoning natin in classic. Approximately 2 tablespoons ng classic, and then dagdagan natin ng kahit 1 tablespoon ng calamansi. Okay. Pang-marinate lang natin muna. Okay, so once mahalo natin na mabuti, wait lang tayo kahit mga 30 minutes to 1 hour kung kaya, kung kakayanin ng oras nyo, para lang ma-absorb ng meat yung nilagay natin na seasonings, okay? Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're waiting for the oil. This is 3 tablespoons of oil na medyo mag-init ng konti. And then, we will add the butter and margarine. Okay. Again, this is this is my own version. So, I'm not sure sa iba kung ganito rin yung ginagawa nila, but I like it this way para lumabas talaga yung masarap, kasi yung parang pinaghalong butter at margarine. Okay. And kaya rin naman tayo gumamit pa ng oil, it's because madaling masunog kapag butter and margarine lang. Yan. Again, this is not a sponsored video. So, kung ano yung mga nakikita nyo na mga ingredients ko, that's just my references. Hindi po ito sponsored video, okay? That's only what I use. You can also try other brand and you can also try other seasonings na kung ano man ang gusto nyong gamitin. Alright. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kakailanganin natin ng sobrang dami ng garlic. So, this is 1 cup of chopped garlic. Okay, ganun kasi talaga yung beef salpicao eh. Kailangan maraming garlic. Okay, so antayin lang natin na mag-brown yung garlic natin before we add the beef. So, kung makikita nyo, sobrang simple lang na ingredients na to. Sobrang madali lang itong lutuin. Ayan, so yung garlic natin, this is already cooked enough para mailagay natin yung marinated beef strip natin. So, we marinated this for 30 minutes. Naglagay tayo ng seasonings, ng in original and calamansi flavor. Okay. So, we'll just make sure that everything's covered with butter, oil, and margarine, plus yung garlic natin. Ayun o, nakikita natin yung garlic. Medyo nag-brown siya, pero hindi naman yung toasted talaga. Kasi lulutuin pa man din natin to eh. We will wait for the beef to cook. Okay, so since maglalagay pa tayo ng 1 cup of water later, i-season natin yung beef natin with salt and pepper. Okay. Kasi tatabang pa naman siya. And, yung salt kasi nakakatulong para mailabas nung meat yung sarili niyang lasa at maging ano siya, meaty pa yung lasa niya. Okay. Haluin lang natin para maging pantay yung luto niya dun sa garlic and the mixture of margarine, butter, and oil. So again I would love to know your thoughts dito sa recipe na ito and kung ano ba ang pwede nyo rin ma-share sa amin or sa akin. And for example, if you also have other requests, like kung ano yung ibang dish na gusto nyo ma-feature dito sa channel na to, comment lang kayo below and I'll check that one out para sa susunod naman, yun naman ang i-feature natin dito sa channel. Okay, so we add the 1 cup of water. And then, we add muna like 3 tablespoons ng soy sauce. Okay, madali naman magdagdag kung mamaya pagtikim natin eh matabangan tayo. Madali na yung magdagdag. Basta ang importante, hindi siya yung sobrang maging maalat. Dahil mahirap nang retokihin yung niluluto nyo kapag sobrang maalat na. Okay. And then, konti pa ng seasoning. Yan kasi yung lasang hinahanap natin sa salpicao. And then, the calamansi. Alright. We'll also add the chili flakes na para sabay na maluto. Konti na siyang spiciness. Okay, so cover lang natin at isimmer natin siya for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, check natin. Okay, so let's see kung malambot na yung beef natin. So we would know kung enough na to or we still need to let it simmer for a few more minutes. Okay. So, konti pa. A-add ko na yung oyster sauce. And then, add ko na rin yung sliced mushroom. This is just 115 grams. And since natikman ko na yung beef, medyo nakulangan pa ako ng konti sa alat at saka sa spiciness niya. So, pwede ko nang i-add yung remaining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then, I'll add some more pepper. I'll simmer this for another 5 minutes and then let's see kung okay na yung beef natin. Okay, so after 5 minutes, okay, sinay ko na siya kanina, okay naman na yung beef. So, inano ko na lang ulit, binalik ko yung takip. So, this one is already done. So, we're ready to plate the beef salpicao and we're ready to eat, okay? Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is our beef salpicao. Happy cooking!